Women or young ladies who are about to get married, planning their weddings, stop telling your besties everything about your husband. Stop telling your chief bridesmaids, your bridesmaid, everything about your husband. Those people you are telling, if they are not married or if they are not engaged, even some that are engaged, they might have eyes on your husband. They might love what you are telling them about your husband. Stop telling them what you do in your bedroom with your husband. Stop telling them how strong your husband is, because if you are saying it, they might start having interest on your husband. So close your mouth, because if you start saying it, when they will have interest in your husband, who will be the hindrance? It's you. Block them, it's you. So if for them to get to your husband, they will remove you and go over to your husband. So stop telling them everything. Stop telling them how good your husband is in the bedroom. Stop telling them what you love about your husband. Some will deal with you. So just close your mouth. This video I want to show you now. The husband later married her chief bridesmaid. Just watch the video. I know a lady, one of my old friends. She has a very good friend from school. She got married, so she invited her friends to her house to come and stay for some time. She was looking for a job or so, you know. So when they were talking, she now told the friend that, yeah, my husband loves people that read novels. You know what that lady did? After telling her that her husband likes people who read novels, who always read, you know. So this girl started doing that. Anytime she knows when the man is coming, well, the time he comes back, because he's a government worker. So anytime the man is about to come back, 5 minutes before the man comes back, the lady will take a novel, go to the sitting room, sit down and start reading novel. So the lady, the wife, now noticed this thing and told me this. I say, here, be careful. She better leave your house. And your husband is the one trying to find job for her. So be careful. Let her go. She can get job from somewhere else. Before you stay in water, soap will enter your eyes. You know. So after everything, the girl left. But look at it. She started doing it because the woman told her that her husband likes people that read book. That's why she started reading novel automatically. What she was not doing when she came. But after telling her the story, she started doing it. So she has a mission. So that's what I'm telling you. So be careful what you say. Just take zip and zip your mouth. If you are telling your friend, your bestie about your husband, tell her general things, something that people can see. Don't go and tell your secret. Don't tell her how good your husband is. Be very, very careful. Just watch this video. How the bestie took over the husband and left her in the hospital. Thanks for watching.
I will start with, everybody should be afraid or very careful of these people that they call besties. You know, you can have a friend that you really trust, and I promise you don't know that person. Somehow, the man that I was supposed to get married to a month after got married to my best friend. That was supposed to be my chief bridesmaid. And in a space of 3 to 4 months, even after he knows we just lost our kids, I just lost my everything. This, my friend, the same girl that was supposed to, in fact, you know, when someone is your best friend, you know, when something happens to you, she should be responsible to give a very good answer of what's going on with you. Instead, this person actually made a waykeeping for me. She made a waykeeping for me, and 2 places, Port Harcourt, where I was working, and where I used to work at Oka. It was someone else that called me on video call on Facebook, like after I got myself out of coma, after God got me out of coma, and he got to let me know that he attended my wake-up a few weeks ago. So imagine how shocked you would be that you are watching a video from someone else's phone that is calling you live, that the person is showing painful exit. It was just something else, that people were celebrating or crying over my death and I was alive somewhere, and it's a bestie that did that to you. So I can't stress it enough. Everybody should be careful. So since after this accident,